it's me, Allegra. I'm hopping on today with some makeup to test out. So I'm not really sure if this is a testing out new makeup video, but it's new to me and maybe it's new to you. So let's test it out and see how it works out. Now, first up, I have this foundation. Now, I've had this for, I think, about a month or so. So I don't know, you guys. It might have been new. I don't know. But this is and now time has passed. I'm not sure. But anyway, this is the Keep Me Covered Long Lasting Foundation, and it has no parabens, it's vegan. So those things, when they say no parabens and things like that, and it has no sulfates and things like that, it's pretty much clean beauty. So that's what is considered clean beauty for many people. So this also says it's waterproof, and I did get the shade, I believe 70 Warm Shell. It doesn't, but it looks a little weird to me. Now I was thinking, because the color, I guess I got the shade Warm. A warm undertone, 70 Warm Shell, and I usually do like to get neutral shades. Now this you know, we'll see how it works out. But you guys, I was thinking if it's too light or the color, it doesn't match me well, maybe I was thinking about dropping in some of these e.l.f. bronzing drops into the foundation, and maybe that'll make it kind of better for me. I don't know, we'll see, because it looked a little yellow. So I was just thinking about how I could maybe doctor it. Okay, but look, it looks beautiful. But I just want to, you know what it is? I just want to mix those bronzing drops into something, because I think that would look so pretty to mix it into a foundation. I got the idea and I don't want to let it go. We'll try that. Let's try that after, because yeah, see, that looks very yellow undertone to me. That looks, oh, I personally hate that. I'm not gonna lie, I really don't like that. Yes, so actually I'll leave this here like it is. Maybe it'll work out like a highlighter, but I just really hate that yellow tone to my skin. Of course, if that is your undertone, but I don't think that's my tone. I think my tone is probably something more neutral, because I've been having such good luck. As long as I just purchase neutral, for my complexion, neutral foundations, they always have been working out for me lately. So I don't know, and sometimes, you know, things might look okay on camera, but that's because I have lighting and all kinds of weird things going on. So, and then of course, you know, when you put the concealer on top, that will change the color of it too. But I just like things to look good right out the bat, because, you know, a lot of times you're on the go. I get personally ready always on the, you know, I'm always rushing out the door, and I don't have time to mix things and, you know, mix foundations and things like that and mix stuff in. But you know what, now that I'm blending it out, it does look better. It definitely does look better. It's beautiful actually when you blend it out. So I need to stop complaining, because, oh, it's beautiful when you blend it out. It's so natural looking. Wow, I actually love this. You see, I shouldn't have, I'm in a very bad mood, you guys. I haven't slept in so long. My dog, you know, the people have come to work on my house, and so my dog Roxy just barks nonstop, because the guys are here working on the roof, and she just barks and barks, and so I'm not able to, you know, they come very early, like 7 o'clock in the morning. Now, I don't wake up normally at 7 o'clock. Normally I wake up at like 9 or 10. I'm, you know, I don't know if you hear her now, she's crying, but then she's barking all day. And then today what happened is that I don't know if you could see this here, but she goes to the window up on there's a window above our bed, and she goes to look out the window, and she holds onto the bed frame, the headboard, and she's looking, and she saw the guys, and she went crazy, and then somehow she fell on me, 85 pounds, and her nails and her paws went into my throat here and down my chest. Oh my gosh, it was so painful. It felt like my neck was, it was so painful right here. She went like that, landed all of her weight in here, and then came down. Oh my god, it was so painful, you guys. But anyway, it's better now, but this is beautiful. So I'm just in a bad mood, but that, when you blend this out, I feel like my skin is looking so smooth, and wow, I love it. And I don't even have, usually I do put on color corrector under my circles, and I don't even have color corrector on, and I feel like my circles are very well concealed. I do have the Rare Beauty primer underneath, which is very, very beautiful. I'm almost out of that. But again, guys, I just wanted to say, just for fun, that I wanted to try it with a little bit of the bronzing drops. Maybe I'll put a little bit of that on the contour. So I have here the rose gold bronzing drops, and I just want to see how it looks, because I tried this the other day. I don't know if you guys saw my video, but I did test these on just my bare skin. I just want to see what it does to the foundation. So it does seem to have given the teeniest bit of shimmer to it. It feels more liquid like for example, this foundation felt thicker in texture, and it seemed to have thinned it out a bit, which, you know, I really like. I'm just trying to find a usage too for these drops because I really like them. I don't think it changed the color up though. But the drops are hydrating, so they have those e.l.f. drops have a lot of skincare ingredients in them, so I think that's what I just saw with that. It has sunflower oil, I believe, and I think the Essence foundation is more matte in texture, and then these drops from e.l.f. are, you know, again, have the skincare ingredients, so it gave a dewiness to the foundation, which is beautiful. But, you know, if you have dry skin, you might want to try these drops to mix into a matte foundation, because I just saw how it did make it more luminous, so it'll make a foundation work for you. So that was the good point. The good point of using that was a good discovery right there. Now, but you guys, this is beautiful. I totally feel like it reduced my pores and everything. So I think it is going to be budge proof and waterproof, like they say. So I'm just going to put on a little bit of concealer here. Just do a little bit of my normal everyday routine. On my eyes right now, I do have the Too Faced palette. It is the Cold Smolder palette. I really love it. At first, I wasn't sure about it, but the more I use it, the more I love it. So, I mean, I liked it when I had been wearing warm tones all the time, so I wasn't used to wearing this kind of eye, but now that I got used to this color family, I really love it. Oh, I do have something else new to use. I got the new NYX bronzer. I really wanted to try that. But I also got this the other day. I don't know if you've tried this or seen my video, guys, but this is the Catrice Melted Sun Cream Bronzer. Oh my goodness, this was so beautiful the other day when I tried it. So I did use it again after that. Loved it. It stayed perfect. It didn't, you know, break up on me. So let's see here. It's beautiful. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I hope you can see it's just gorgeous, natural, effortless. Looks exactly like the Chanel bronzer, Healthy Glow bronzer that I was using prior. And then here, beauties, I have this new Buttermelt bronzer from NYX. I forgot that I had this. So actually we are having a testing out new makeup because this is new. It just came out. Beautiful packaging. There's no mirror, but you know, I like that because I could tap the excess off and it doesn't look messy. So that's the good thing about that. And let me go ahead and just tap this on. Oh, it's very deep. This color I got very deep. You know, I didn't see the tester for this because they didn't have one, but I should have got the shade up, but it looked a little light, but now I see that yeah, that would have been the best color for me, the one up, I think. But no, this is beautiful. Let me just put on a little translucent setting powder. So then, beauties, I got this new Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. I believe this is new. Now, they said this from e.l.f. They said this is a shockingly fine mist. Now, I have to tell you, I did try this already, and it really is shockingly fine mist. Oh, it just went in my eye. Okay. Now, I just want to finish up, guys, with this lip gloss, the Butter Gloss Bling from NYX. This I tried the other day. I was just playing around, experimenting, and I could not believe how gorgeous it is. So I'm just gonna put on this. I just have this Kylie, but you can use any lip liner. Here I'll put on this lip liner. Then here's the Bling gloss. This one that I got is the shade, it's called Bring the Bling. So again, I tried this the other day and I was in love. It has a vanilla flavor or scent to it. So this is the finished look, beauties. I'm so happy with everything that I got and that I tested out today, except for I'm not really that happy about this, but let me know if you guys like this. But I don't really, yeah, I wouldn't buy this again, or I won't even probably use that. because I really don't see a difference in things of that nature, and I like to see some dewiness to the skin. And you have to keep spraying and nothing comes out. I don't know. It's not for me. But I'm sure some people love it. But look at how beautiful this gloss is. This reminds me, did Fenty come out with these new glosses? I gotta go check them out. I think they had this most beautiful shimmer shade. And this kind of reminded me how it looked what I saw online. But I'm gonna go in store and try to find out. I forgot what it was called, but it was so beautiful. Someone was swatching it the other day online. So this is beautiful. This foundation is gorgeous to keep me covered. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love the way my skin looks right now. It looks just beautiful. I love it. It reminds me kind of say MAC Studio. What was it? Studio Fix, the one that the one that was the original one that everybody loved. It reminds me of something like that. So beauties, I just wanted to show you how the foundation looks in the natural light. It is just absolutely gorgeous. It's getting more beautiful the way that it wears on. It's just giving just a beautiful glow to the skin, but it's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. So if you guys haven't tried it already, I can't wait for you to try it because I think that you will absolutely love it. I truly love it so much. I can't believe it. So thank you, Beauty, so much for coming and testing out this new makeup 2024 with me today. Let me know if you tried any of these. Let me know what you think of them. Let me know your new favorites. Let me know. I would love to know, so let me know down below. And that's pretty much it. I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon.